Hank. I heard that you're going to be executed. That's it. You are grounded until you get in hell. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Hank. Time for execution time. Yes, they are dead, and they are never allowed to come back to life.
Yay, do we get to go to heaven?
No, because you killed me, I'm going to send you to hell, you idiot. We're sorry for being so mean to our son Hank. It was only an accident. You did it on purpose, and your apology is not good enough. Now stay in hell forever while I go to heaven with Hank.